everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is cook. So let's get started. A cook prepares delicious meals for people to eat. Cooks work in kitchens of restaurants, hotels, or homes. Cooks chop vegetables,
I don't think so.
measure
No, no, no,
ingredients,
no.
and mix
I
them
don't think so.
together.
No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out.
They use kitchen appliances like stoves, ovens, and blenders.
Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, I know, definitely nope, I know, probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Cooks pay attention to food safety to prevent illness. They make specialize in certain cuisines like Indian, Italian, and Chinese.